Today's topic is to get the key which is having the maximum value in our dictionary. We are going to solve this problem using the two methods. Method 1 using the max and a get method, and the method 2 using an item getter method. So what we are going to do over here is first we are going to initialize our dictionary, and after that we are going to use a max and a get method. So what is this get method is going to do is it's going to return the value for the particular key if that key is present in the dictionary or not. In the max, the first parameters we have given is our iterable name over here, and then the key to which it's going to find the maximum value using that comparison of it. So we are using that key as name.get, and then the name of which is going to find in the dictionary over there, and then we are storing that key in the key value, and then we are printing it out. As you can see it over here, out of the given particular dictionary, 45 consists of the highest value compared to the other two, and that's why the key value which is show to has been represented in an output.